This tutorial is going to step you through how to book and register for an event at the Coffee Commune. Firstly, ensure you're logged into your account, and then scroll across the top banner and select the Events tab. This will then take you to our Events page. Scroll down and it shows you a list of all of our events happening at the Coffee Commune. Here it will show you the name of the event, the date, location, and a brief description. If you'd like to see more, select More Events. To narrow down your search, you have two options. If you have a specific event in mind, you can search it up this way, or you can also browse by the month. For example, I'll choose April, and it will show you all the different events happening in April. To book an event, select the event that you'd like to register for. This then takes you to a separate tab of that event. If you scroll down, it will show you the name, date, and location of the event, and a bit of a clocked countdown to when it occurs. Keep scrolling, and here is a description on this event. Shows you the time, for example, 9 till 10:30 a.m. on the 22nd of March, and then again a description. This then shows you an About Us on the Coffee Commune. Keep scrolling, and there's a brief description on our speakers for this event. If there's any featured sessions, our venue and map, and to get in touch with us. On the top banner, you have the agenda, the speakers tab, the venue tab, and your tickets. To purchase a ticket, you need to select the Tickets tab, scroll down, and it will show you the pricing, and select Buy Ticket to continue. Here it will show you members and public, as at the moment public tickets are for free, but normally it will only be for members. Select the number of tickets you'd like to purchase, double check your details, and then select Continue. Here you need to fill in your personal details for the booking. For example, I'll write test. Your mobile, and the company name. Once all your details are filled in, select Continue. Here it shows your ticket has been successful for this event and that you'll send a confirmation email to the email that you provided. Then select Done, and you'll receive that confirmation in your inbox. And that's how you book a ticket to an event.